Hi everyone, I wanted to do a review on this Coach camera bag. This is the Coach Jamie bag. It does come with a strap, which I'll get to in just a little bit here. I just wanted to share the actual bag itself. It's a really nice size bag. It averages in length. The measurements here, it's about 9 1/4 across, and it looks like we are almost at 6 inches tall, so it's a pretty nice size crossbody bag. It does have a back slip pocket here. It's in the signature canvas with the pink trim. The strap of the bag is also pink as well. It's the wide strap, so it's very comfortable on the shoulder. It looks like it has 7 slots to choose from, so it should be able to fit your height. I'm 5'7", and I usually keep mine on the 4th, and I think I'm going to show you where it lands on me towards the end of the video, but let me just go ahead and get inside the contents of the bag and what all my bag can hold and what I carry typically. I have my business card holder. I have my MCM wallet. A small thing of Kleenexes. I also have my Coach wristlet. My sister-in-law gifted me this, probably 10 years ago, so definitely lets you know that the Coach quality lasts a really long time. So she bought this for me many years ago, but I'm using this as a, I guess I can somewhat call this a catch-all. I keep like my lotions and lip balm and lip gloss inside. So I've had that for a while, and then I keep my compact mirror and also a key pouch, and I also carry my ink pen, so it's pretty roomy on the inside. And there is also, the back slip pocket. I have my pill case in there, so that fits back there. But it's a really nice roomy crossbody handbag. My husband actually bought this for me. I normally stay within the neutral colors, so the pop of pink was really nice. So I was kind of glad that he actually chose that for me to kind of get me out of the box of what I typically, I'm normally just a solid black, solid brown, but I'm really enjoying this pop of color. And another cool thing that I really like about these Coach bags is that you are able to remove the straps and kind of play with them if you have other bags in your collection, just to kind of dress up some of the bags. I do have some different straps. Some are the gold straps that I have from Coach, and of course I have the black, and then I have one of the white Cassie bags, so I have a white strap. But I do really enjoy interchanging the bags to change the look, and I am 5'7", so this is where the bag falls on me on that 4th loop. So I think it hits nicely, and I still have room to adjust. So if you're taller than me or shorter than me, then you should be able to wear the bag comfortably. But just wanted to share a quick review. If you guys like the video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on the bag. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and be blessed.